how to turn on or turn off floating shutter button in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on quick controls. Then tap on settings. Now from camera settings, we then go down. So go down to the general section and then tap on shooting methods. After that, tap on floating shutter button. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off floating shutter button. Here you can take pictures with an extra shutter button. You can move anywhere on the screen. So here, if we go back to the camera, and there should be so I'm just going to go to photo. So there should be an additional shutter button right here. So I can place it there, or I can drag it out. So this is the floating button. I can just tap on it anywhere on the screen to capture a picture. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.